Want to confirm your Apple Watch details? Checking the serial number is the official way to verify your device. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then go to General and click About. Apple states that every Apple Watch has a unique serial number listed in this section. Pause briefly so viewers can clearly see the serial number on screen. Tap and copy the serial number. Next, open Safari on your iPhone. Go to Apple's Check Coverage page and paste the serial number. Apple explains that a valid Apple Watch will show model name and warranty or coverage status. If Apple recognizes the serial number, your watch is verified as genuine. If the serial number is invalid, missing, or not recognized, the device may be fake, modified, or incorrectly registered. Apple recommends contacting Apple support if the serial number does not appear. By checking the serial number through Apple's official system, you can confirm your Apple Watch authenticity and coverage status. This is the safest way to verify any Apple Watch.